Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we have got this new product called QuantEngine for traders having multiple strategies. And in the next 5 minutes, I'll be taking you through the product, how to use it, and I'll be showing you how it handles orders, data, multiple strategies, and performance management all in one dashboard. So here you see the dashboard. So this is like the mission control. The moment you log in, you see exactly where your money is, what's deployed, what's working, what is at risk. Every strategy you have built, every position that you hold, and every rupee of profit and loss, all on one screen is shown over here. Moving to operator. This is where you actually run the show. You start a strategy, pause it, restart it all in one click. And the spreads. So as we know, markets move in pairs. So, stocks that could rise together or indices that should track each other, when one breaks from the other, there is an opportunity that is what the traders look out for. So, this screen shows you those gaps the moment they open and tells you when they're about to close as well. And beneath it, we have the scanner tab. So, the scanner essentially cuts through the market noise, surfacing only the names that match your setup right now in real time. So, that information is something useful over here. And moving to signal tray. So here you have every signal that your strategies generate and the instant they generate it. Like buy, sell, exit, delivered to one place, they're all ranked and time stamped. Coming to the positions in PNL, so every open trade, every rupee made or lost is updated here tick by tick. Moving to orders, from the moment a signal fires to the moment your order fills, the full journey is on one screen over here. Now, coming to the alerts tab, this is something very important because you cannot watch every screen every minute. Alerts call you when something matters, a position breach or a strategy stop or a risk limit is hit. These alerts will notify you so that you can trade safely. And coming to the system health in the next tab, see, we all know that a system health is only as good as the moment you need it the most. So, this system health watches the heartbeat, your data feeds, your connections, your strategies every second of the trading day. And also the system monitor. This is under the hood in real time. CPU, memory, network latency, it watches everything, and the infrastructure that keeps your strategies alive. And you also have a kill switch over there in case you want to stop everything uh, if something goes wrong. And the config over here, this section lets you configure the whole system according to you, your strategies, your rules. You can set the position sizes, define risk limits, pick your brokers, tune every parameter, all without writing a single line of code. And last but not the least, the risk matrix, which is very important. It's a number. The risk matrix shows you exactly how much you stand to lose across every position, every strategy, every account before the market shows you. So that was that.